Hello and welcome to the Augmentoolkit demo video. So in this demo video, I'm going to turn this Wikipedia article on medical history into an instructor tuning dataset that can teach a model to converse about the facts in this text. This is a Wikipedia article, but it could just as easily be a company knowledge base. So I'm going to run the script, which is here, and let's get started generating. So first thing this does is that it splits this text into chunks. And after chunking it, it checks if any chunks are metadata, because you don't want to be teaching your fine-tuned model about the metadata in your files. You want them learning the information in those files. Basically, that's just a step to prevent you from having to clean everything up yourself if you have gigabytes of text, which some people do have. Next, we generate questions and answers. We do this because Augmentoolkit is about generating synthetic data, so you need synthetic conversations between a user and an AI for the AI to learn how to talk about a factual subject matter, a specific domain. For that, a user needs to ask questions and an AI will answer them, and the answers and questions are both based on a given input chunk. More important than actually generating the questions, which is decently easy, is validating them. Making certain that no hallucinations creep in here, because that could absolutely wreck the quality of a data set if you're not careful. So that's what this step is mostly comprised of. And it does it decently fast, which is why we'll probably finish this in a few more seconds. After doing that, we have a brief fix-up step, and then we go generate conversations. Augmentoolkit uses open source models instead of GPT for a variety of reasons. They're cheaper, they can run locally, so you can do this like on your own laptop even. And also the writing style isn't quite as bad. So if you don't want your branding to be affected by GPT-isms, as they're called in parts of the open source community, then Augmentoolkit avoids that by using open source models. So now we've gone through the fix-up step. Looks like nothing failed that, which is nice. And we start generating conversations. Here's an example of such a conversation. Here's an example of such a conversation. AI introduces itself. User asks a question that's straight from the questions we generated earlier, and the AI answers. This is a synthetic, multi-turn conversation, validated and based on the input text we gave it. Generated for next to no cost, very quickly. Could do it on a local hardware or via an API. That's Augmentoolkit as an open source project. It works just as well on Wikipedia articles as it does on your company's knowledge base. I'm planning on improving and expanding its capabilities in the future, and I hope you enjoyed this demo. Thank you, and have a good day.